Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you a amazing software in order to create SOPs and documentations in a fast and efficient way. Now, previously I always used to use Loom in order to create this type of tutorials and this was specifically for my design business, but also to communicate with team members and stakeholders and whatnot. So I'm just going to give you a really quick tour and a real life demo. The product is Scribe, and the way it works is you simply click on start recording. The recording is being captured. So for example, I'm going to select Framer and I'm going to go in their website. And I'm basically being recorded in all the interactions that I make. So you're going to see in just a moment how this is planning out. So I'm just clicking on different elements. This can be also done in a web app, so it's pretty much the same. Now, once I am done, I'm just going to move myself here on the right. And you can see that here I can see all the controls. I click on a complete recording and what is going to happen is all of the actions which I basically performed in this period of time has been recorded and well documented in a very easy to share page. So you're going to essentially be able to review all of the individual actions which I took. Of course, I can also, add text and change it if you see that maybe like some areas need to be performed previously, or maybe I want to delete this step or simply change the order of steps. I can easily do that, and it's automatically going to update. So a very easy to use software in order to create these documentations, which in my personal experience, it's already saving a lot of time. It's one of those softwares that I wish that I knew before. And then, of course, once you're done, you can simply copy the link and if you're pasting it, you're going to be able to see, or actually the other person is going to be able to see exactly what you saw in your editor and backend. So just a quick video. I wanted to share this nugget which is available for free. So feel free to check it out and I'll see you in the very next one.